So in this video, I'm going to talk about why I think it's beneficial to start a community online digital product business in 2025, because I set one up. I set a free community up around December last year, and my main focus has been creating a online community slash course teaching people what I know, what I've spent the last 5 years doing myself, which is e-commerce. So one of the key problems that I noticed was there's tons of mentorships out there, there's tons of courses, but they were all missing something really vital. For me, they didn't have the complete step-by-step walkthrough or the personal support. They claim to have the personal support, but they didn't really offer it. And I think a lot of people, including myself, in the early days, I really struggled with not just being able to get a quick answer, a quick question answered, right? I used to struggle for ages looking for answers myself on the internet, loads of YouTube videos and things like that. And that's fine, but sometimes it takes, you want to get the answer straight away so you can make progress, right? So my mission was to take my 5 years of experience in e-commerce. I've made over £500,000 online selling physical products, and now recently in the last year I've been really pushing digital products because I see it as a huge opportunity, down to the fact that you can create this with no investment. You don't really need to buy stock. We don't need to buy stock at all. You don't need to hold any stock. You don't need to ship orders. It's super profitable. You're looking at like 80% profit margins if you're not running ads, whereas physical products, you're looking around 20, 30, 40, maybe 50% if you've got a brilliant product and a niche, right? But digital products is such a good opportunity. And if you're sat on any type of knowledge or any type of skill that you may have come across in your lifetime, right? Or you may have worked on, or you've learned this skill, you can monetize that by creating your own community and bringing people in. You can do what I've done and charge you can have a free community, or you can charge like a membership fee for being part of the community. And I truly believe that when AI gets bigger than it is now, humans are going to crave human interaction. So putting together some sort of community business, it could be around your hobbies, it could be around your passions. It doesn't matter. You could do it as an educational thing to help people. I've chosen to go down the more educational route because I love e-commerce. I love making money online, and I want to make it my mission to help other people replace their income and quit their jobs just like I did. And it truly changes your life. So that was the idea with the community. I wanted to make it this one place where people can come, they can ask questions, they can watch all the training videos and work with me to help them scale their businesses, start their businesses, come up with ideas, things like that. And, just replace their income essentially and do this full time. So that was the reason behind the community. And in the process of currently trying to scale it. So, YouTube is new to me. I don't really post on here much. I need to do more of YouTube because I can see it as such a huge opportunity to just talk to you guys, in front of the camera like this and just explain exactly who I am and what I do. So the community itself, this is my free community. I've managed to get around just over 800 members in here now, which is brilliant because I see a free community as think of it as like an engaged email list. These are all people that have joined. I can write posts in here. I can send emails. I can try and get them to convert into the paid community, and I can offer to help them for free and give them upfront value. And then in the paid community, currently we have 16 members. So it's super cheap. I'm charging £50 per month, which is around $65. And inside here, it's great because I've put together some of my courses. So I've got a digital product masterclass. I've got a e-commerce masterclass. We're doing coaching calls every single week now. I've got the version 2 of the digital product masterclass. This is basically just going over how to come up with an idea for a profitable digital product, how to create the offer, the sales page, choosing the right platforms, creating the product, and then essentially getting to the stage where we can start marketing the product and making money and scale up from there using paid ads and systems to really put this into a nice, efficient formula, right? But yeah, I mean, I see the community as just a brilliant way of creating a digital product that is highly profitable, and you're helping people. That's the best thing about this. You're actually helping people solve their problems. You're providing them transformation, and it's just a great business model. So if anyone's interested in e-commerce, reach out to me, click the link in the description or my bio. I'd love to have you in the free one. I'd help you as much as I can for free. And if you enjoy it and you find it useful, then by all means, please join the premium community. I'd love to see you in there, and I'd love to help. But that's it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.